Hi everyone, this goes by the name of Mommy Brand. So welcome to our channel. If you haven't subscribed, consider to subscribe. Like, share, comments, put a notification for being the first person to see our videos. So our content exactly deals with the plant. So if you are asking yourself, what can I put at home? Which deco should I put? Which plant should I put in my home? If it is a sitting room, if it is the kitchen, if it is the bedroom, consider staying in our channel so that you can have exclusive content about the plants. So for those people who are living in Tanzania and then you are looking for a place where to buy plants, the plants like mine, you can just check us and we will recommend you to the stores which are selling plants. So welcome. Stay with me from the beginning up to the end and don't forget to put on the notification. So today we are having this plant. This plant is called a ZZ plant. So it have a lot of names, but most of people, they call it ZZ plant. So this ZZ plant, I bought it when it has only 3 leaves, just last year. It's like 6 months, it's like 6-7 months since I bought it, and then today it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 leaves and 2 leaves are coming. There is 1 leaf here, but also there is another leaves. There is, another leaves here. So since 2 leaves are coming, so I have decided to chop it. How am I going to do it? I have decided to chop it. I'll cut this one. I want to propagate it, and I'll cut this leaf in order for these new comings to have a place to stay and to be better. As you can see, we have some leaves which are bigger, but also we have some leaves which are smaller. So I'll cut this one, I'll cut this one, and I'll cut this one. So from these 2 leaves, I'm going to propagate them. How am I going to propagate them? I'm going to put in a single pot and then observe it and see how is it going to grow and for how long is it going to, for how long will it have leaves, since I've never propagated this one. This is my first ZZ plants I have at home, so I want to have more than this because one among my favorite plants, ZZ plant. So stay with me from the beginning up to the end. So this is the ZZ plants which we are going to deal with today. As you can see, there is a new coming here. Hope you see there is new coming here, but also there is another new coming from this way. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 8. They are not 7. They are 8. So I'm going to cut this plant. I'm going also to cut this one so that to allow this one to grow big, but also I'm going to cut this one so that to allow this new coming, the one which is here, to grow big. We have this scissor. Scissor is for cutting and it's really sharp, as you can see. So we take it, we open it, and then we come straight forward here and we'll just cut it. As you can see, I have this cutting, this little one. As you can see, I have this cutting, but also we are going to cut this one. So we have these 2 leaves. We have cut it from here. So there is the coming new leaves is here, but also here I was supposed to cut this one, but I did it wrong. I cut this one. I was supposed to cut this one for this one to grow and not this one, but it's okay. And then so the coming leaf is coming from here. but also the other coming leaf is coming from here. But also, what if we cut this one also? So I'm going to propagate these two leaves and put it in this water. So I want to use both methods. I want to use some leaves, but also I want to use the whole bunch. So I'll cut some of the leaves and put it here, but also I'll use the rest of the leaf and put it here. So there is different way of propagating it, but all in all, they both grow. So I want to see which one will come first, which one will grow first. That leaf is seen perfect after this cut, but also this leaf which is coming is just imperfect after this cut. So this is the new look of our old plant. We have removed two bunches, but the two bunches, the one which we are about to propagate, they're here, as you can see. So I'm going to propagate them and see. We propagate both sides. The leaves, I'll cut the leaves, but also I'll propagate the bunch and see how it is. So the cuttings are already taken, and this is the after. So as I said, we're going to propagate in two ways. So we're going to cut some leaves, and we're going to propagate as a bunch. So this is the soil. This soil is a mix of soil, coco peat, but also we have, I don't know what do they call, but in Swahili we call pumba za mpunga. We have the soil itself, and also we have the manure, so the local manure. So this is the soil I'm going to use, and this is the pot I'm going to use. I'm going to put all of them within the same place. So as you can see, so now we have two pots. We have propagated them into two. As you can see, we have cut it, but also we have cut it. But also here we have this one bunch and this one bunch, and we have the three leaves, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to observe that. We're going to observe it. We're going to put it in a place where there is no direct sunlight for us to see the progress of it, how they grow. We'll just make the next video on when we see the roots from this new plant. So now we have this one which is already cutted, so we're waiting for these two batch to come. But also we have this new leaf, we have this new plant, we're waiting for it to have some roots, but also we're waiting for these leaves to have some roots also. So we're going to make another video. I'll share link the videos on how are they going. So today is our day one. Keep observing. I'll share with you after 30 days the observation of it, 60 days, 90 days, 6 months, a year, etc. So keep observing, stay with me, and stay to see how this is going to grow. But also, as we know, there is two leaves are coming, this one and this one. So let us also keep observing and see when are they coming and when are we going to see them. So thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel with people who are passionate with their plants, those people who want to grow plants, those people who want to have garden, for consultation, for anything about plants. Thank you. See you next time.